Welcome to week 7 of college algebra. So this week we're going to be covering 7.1 and 7.2, which talks about the systems of equation for 2 and 3 variables. So the learning resources are posted as usual. We have the PowerPoint of this week's lesson as well as the video walkthrough of the PowerPoint. Video links and other additional practice sites are posted in the following folders. For this week's assignment for the discussion board, it's a reminder that these posts are used to take students' attendance, so please don't forget to post something for every week. And for this week, it's a simple question: how's your semester going so far? It'd be great if you can talk in terms of the remote learning. For the Module 7 assignment, we have 7.1, Systems of Linear Equations. Also 7.2, it's the same concept, but we're using 3 variables. So these are both due on Sunday by midnight on October 18th.